Good day, everybody. My name is Daniel Ferguson. Thank you for joining me today. So a few weeks ago, I had a client come to me and they said, hey, we're generating this knowledge base from Flare, and in the knowledge base, you've got all these FAQs. We would really like to take those FAQs and use them over here in Salesforce so that when customers log in to create a ticket for us, we're able to show them some FAQ content that's relevant to the question that they're asking, and hopefully they'll be able to solve their own problem. Can you do that? I said, well, let's look into it and see what we can do. So I said, you need DITA files? They said, yeah, we can load DITA files up into Salesforce. And here's a sample of the type of file that we need. So I looked at their sample and I saw that it had 5 or 6 custom elements in it. For example, data category, summary, article type, article ID, that sort of thing. And these were actual elements or tags that they wanted in the DITA file. So I went back and did some research and discovered that Flare can do this. It can take certain elements from your Flare source file, say a paragraph tag, and convert it into a totally different element in your DITA output. So I'm going to walk through how to do that today, and hopefully you'll find this useful and you'll find an implementation for this in your own situation. So I'm only going to create one here just for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to create a data category element in my DITA output. So starting in my Flare style sheet, I'm going to come, and in this case, I'm going to create a new class, a new paragraph class, and I'm going to call it data category. It doesn't really matter what you name your class. The class name isn't going to become the element name in your DITA output. I like to keep them consistent though, just so it's more straightforward for me. So in the data category class, I'm now going to come down here into the DITA group, and here I have a property called MC DITA type. Whatever you put in this is going to become the DITA element name in your DITA output. So I'm going to convert this as well to data category. All right. So I've created a data category paragraph class. I've assigned the MC DITA type property to data category. Now with that in place, I can come over here to my content and I can apply that class. So we'll apply the data category class to this paragraph. And now we will go build the output. Whoops. Build the output here. Now when we go look at our output, here's the file I edited. We'll open this up. You'll see that my paragraph tag has been converted into a data category tag or a data category element. Really useful little utility that Flare has included to be able to generate custom elements in DITA output. I hope you find this useful. Hope maybe that you're able to generate some DITA files and put them in your customer service portal and maybe be able to save some customer tickets from being opened. Or if you have any other implementation for this, I'd be interested to hear how you're using it. Again, my name is Daniel Ferguson, and I appreciate you joining me today.